Headworms. When I found you. When I found you. They really freaked me out. Oh, Speedy, you're slinging him in my hair. You sling him. You should go. You sling more than you eat. There'll be more. I'll keep him right here for you, okay? Show your worms. Yeah? The good worms. Ah! I don't know how you eat them. I can't hardly look at them. Each to their own, though. You gonna save that one for later? Gonna save it for later?